Dear student, welcome back to the next lecture. In the last class, we have discussed the evaluation techniques and interruption indices. Today, we will discuss the application of radial network, effect of lateral distribution protection, effect of disconnects, effect of protection failure, effect of transferring load, and last one is the distribution reliability indices. The effects on distribution system. The first is the effect on lateral distribution protection. The protection is frequently used in practical distribution system. The installation of fuse gear at the T point in each lateral distributor. In the case a short circuit on a lateral distributor causes its appropriate fuse to blow. This causes disconnection of its load point until the failure is repaired, but does not affect or causes the disconnection of any other load point. दूसरे किसी भी लोड पॉइंट पर इसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आता है. The system reliability indices are therefore modified. In the case the reliability indices are improved for all load points, although the amount of improvement is different for each one. Second is the effect of disconnect. The reinforcement or improvement scheme is the provision of disconnect or isolator at judicious points along the main feeder. These are generally not for breaking switches, and therefore any short circuit on a feeder still causes the main breaker to operate. After the fault has been detected, however, the relevant disconnect can be opened and the breaker reclosed. This procedure allows restoration of all load point between the supply point and the point of isolation before the repair process has been completed. Third is the effect of protection failure. The reliability indices for each load point were evaluated by the fuses in the lateral distributor operation. Operated whenever a failure occurred on the distributor they were supposed to protect. Occasionally, however, the primary protection system fails to operate. अगर प्राइमरी सिस्टम जो प्रोटेक्शन का अगर वो फेल हो जाता है, इन दिस केस द बैकअप प्रोटेक्शन फंक्शन, जो बैकअप प्रोटेक्शन होता है वो फंक्शन करता है, एंड दिस विल अफेक्ट ऑन द रिलायबिलिटी इंडिसेस. And last one, the effect of transferring load. The many distribution system have open point in a meshed configuration so that a system is effectively operated as a radial network, but in the event of a system failure, the open point can be moved in order to recover load that has been disconnected. This operational procedure can have a marked effect on the reliability indices of a load point, because load that would otherwise have been left disconnected until repair had been completed can now be transferred onto another part of the system. यहाँ पर we have to transfer the load. These are the effect on the distribution system. Next is the distribution reliability indices. Due to the random nature of the failure and the restoration processes, the indices for any particular year deviate from the average value. The deviation is represented by probability distribution, and a knowledge of this distribution can be beneficial in the reliability assessment of present system and the future reinforcement scheme. The indices which we have discussed in the last class. Thank you.